Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a CAD password. CAD provides a straightforward way to protect your pages with a password, ensuring only authorized visitors can access your content. This feature is a premium offering, available exclusively to users with a Pro Standard, Pro Plus, or Pro Max subscription. Free accounts do not have access to this security option. You can easily set up a single password to secure your entire CAD site, adding an extra layer of privacy. To begin, log into your CAD account and choose the specific site you wish to protect. Once your site is open in the editor, look for the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on this icon to reveal various site options. Within the settings, you will find a dedicated password section. This is the central hub where you can enable and manage your site's password protection, giving you full control over who sees your content. After navigating to the password settings, you will see an option to toggle password protection. Switch this feature to On. Next, a field will appear where you can type in your chosen password. It is highly recommended to create a strong and unique password, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Once you have entered your password, remember to save your changes. This action will immediately activate the password protection for your CAD site. Once you have set and saved your password, make sure to publish your CAD site for the changes to take effect. To verify that the password protection is working correctly, open your site in a new browser window or incognito tab. You should be prompted to enter the password before viewing the content. Remember, this essential security feature is exclusively available with CAD's Pro plans. Free accounts do not offer this option, so consider upgrading to a Pro plan for enhanced privacy and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.